Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bathroom vanity lights that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're redesigning your bathroom or simply upgrading your lighting, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. Number 5, Asher Bathroom Vanity Light Fixtures. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Asher Bathroom Vanity Light Fixtures. This brushed nickel wall light combines a timeless design with durable construction, making it a versatile choice for various home spaces. It features 3 clear glass shades that beautifully diffuse light, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. The design is sleek, yet understated, with its brushed nickel finish, ensuring it blends seamlessly with modern, rustic, or even minimalist decor. The fixture is built to last, thanks to its sturdy metal construction, and the clear glass shades add a touch of sophistication. The lights use E26 base bulbs, which are widely available, but bear in mind that bulbs are not included. This fixture is also compatible with dimmable bulbs and switches, giving you control over your lighting environment. While the Asher Vanity Light excels in design and quality, it may lack some premium features found in higher-ranked models, such as advanced energy efficiency or water resistance. However, its easy installation process and versatile design make it a great option for those seeking a stylish yet functional lighting solution. Ideal for bathrooms, hallways, or even your home office, the Asher Light is a solid choice for the price-conscious buyer. Pros include its elegant design, compatibility with dimmable setups, and durable build. On the downside, the absence of included bulbs adds to the overall setup cost. At number 4, we have the Fanyim Brushed Nickel Bathroom Light Fixtures. This 3-light vanity light is designed for those who appreciate a modern aesthetic with a touch of softness. The milky white frosted glass shades diffuse light beautifully, creating a bright yet gentle atmosphere that's perfect for family spaces. The double-layer spray painting process ensures the brushed nickel finish remains smooth, thick, and scratch-resistant over time. The fixture's all-metal construction adds to its durability, while the ceramic E26 sockets allow compatibility with a wide range of bulbs, including LED, CFL, and incandescent options. It's also dimmable when used with the appropriate bulbs and switches, giving you control over the ambiance. This is a great option for anyone looking for a balance between style and functionality. The frosted glass shades make it particularly suited for bathrooms and makeup rooms, where glare-free light is essential. However, its slightly shorter warranty and the absence of included bulbs keep it from climbing higher on the list. Overall, the Fanyim is a fantastic mid-range option for homeowners who want a refined look without breaking the bank. Number 3, Unicosin Modern Bathroom Light Fixtures. Taking the 3rd spot is the Unicosin Modern Bathroom Light Fixtures. This product stands out thanks to its solid metal build and clear glass shades, which deliver a clean, modern look that's perfect for contemporary spaces. Its black finish provides a bold contrast against lighter walls, making it a designer's favorite. This fixture is compatible with E26 bulbs, not included, offering flexibility in choosing different bulb types to suit your needs. The up-and-down reversible mounting design gives you the freedom to direct light wherever you need it, making it versatile for bathroom mirrors, staircases, or even living rooms. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. While the Unicosin light impresses with its style and flexibility, it lacks advanced features like integrated LED technology or high water resistance. Still, its durable construction and excellent customer reviews make it a dependable choice. If you're after a modern, sleek aesthetic, this is a fantastic pick. Pros include its stylish design, reversible mounting, and robust build quality. Cons are the lack of included bulbs and limited special features. Number 2, Sunrise LED Modern Bathroom Vanity Light Fixtures. Coming in at number 2 is the Sunrise LED Modern Bathroom Vanity Light Fixtures. This 24-inch, 3-light vanity light is perfect for those who want a sleek, contemporary feel with energy-efficient performance. The frosted white acrylic shades soften the light, eliminating glare while still providing optimal brightness at 6000K cool white. What sets this fixture apart is its integrated LED technology, which consumes just 24 watts while delivering brightness equivalent to a 120-watt bulb. This makes it both eco-friendly and cost-efficient. The 360-degree rotatable joints allow you to adjust the light direction, making it highly functional for makeup application or other tasks. Plus, the IP44 rated water and dust resistance makes it ideal for humid environments like bathrooms. The Sunrise light is an excellent choice for those looking for cutting-edge design and performance. However, its fixed LED setup may not appeal to those who prefer replaceable bulbs. Overall, it's a high-performing, energy-efficient option that balances style and functionality beautifully. 1. Zarbita 3-Light Bathroom Light Fixtures. Finally, at the top of our list is the Zarbita 3-Light Bathroom Light Fixtures. This bestseller combines an upgraded matte black finish with clear glass shades to create a striking yet versatile design that fits seamlessly into modern and traditional spaces alike. Its corrosion and scratch-resistant coating ensures it retains its chic look over time. What really sets the Zarbita apart is its durability and user-friendly features. The all-metal construction, including robust lamp poles and secure metal rings, ensures this fixture is built to last. The heat-resistant E26 ceramic sockets minimize bulb replacements, and its reversible mounting design lets you customize the lighting direction. Plus, Zarbita backs its product with an impressive 36-month warranty, showing confidence in its quality. This fixture checks all the boxes: elegant design, sturdy build, and outstanding performance. It's ideal for those seeking a reliable, stylish lighting solution for their home. Pros include its premium build, versatile design, and extended warranty. The only downside is that bulbs are not included. Overall, the Zarbita fixture is the gold standard for bathroom vanity lighting in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.